What's up, my awesome friends? IQ Splash is back in action. Today's mission, can you guess the movie by the emoji? There are 30 exciting rounds and you'll have just 10 seconds each. So keep your eyes sharp and your brain ready. Drop a comment down below. Now hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's kick things off. Can you name this first movie? Smooth start. It's a Minecraft movie. What movie do you think this is? Navi vibes unlocked. That's Avatar. Does this film ring any bells? Zootopia 2. Which movie are these emojis describing? You got it, Frozen. Can you spot the 3 differences between 2 pictures? Nice work. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. Did you find them all? Get ready for the next video challenge. Exactly, it's Kung Fu Panda. Break this emoji code and reveal the movie. Adventure. Ahoy, it's Jungle Cruise. What this movie called? Pocahontas. Take your best guess. Ta-da! This one is Wake Up Dead Man. Can you solve this famous film hint? It's K-pop Demon Hunters. Slay the stage, save the world. All right, champion, take a moment to remember where all the characters are. Now, where is Zoe? Impressive memory. Zoe is in spot number 2. What movie are these emojis suggesting? Ohana Forever, Lilo and Stitch. Do you know which film this might be? You bet, Goat. Think you can name this movie? Moana 2. What's the name of this film? Tap your feet, it's Happy Feet. Uncover the movie hidden behind these emojis. Monster Gateway, that's Hotel Transylvania. Tell IQS what this movie is called. You know it. It's Home Alone. Can you guess this one correctly? Scream 7. Another one is coming up. Can you name it? You're too fast. That's Sonic the Hedgehog. What movie comes to mind when you see this? Jurassic World Rebirth. Do you have a guess for this one? Yeah, this movie is The Little Mermaid. The Greatest Showman. Which animated movie is this? Awesome call. Inside Out 2. What's this movie called? Spot on. This is Kill Bill. Can you solve the movie puzzle? One snap to save the universe. It's Avengers Endgame. Dune. Think you can nail the movie title? Let's find out. It's Black Bag. Does this one look familiar yet? From Cub to King, it's The Lion King. Which movie is up next? Boots on, swords out. It's Puss in Boots. Take a shot. What's the title of this film? Alice in Waterland. One more point for you.